It's almost spring and we are so excited. So today we're going to be taking a look at this garden bed with trellis. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, put it together for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. This comes packaged very nicely to protect it during shipping. In the box, you are going to have the pieces for the actual trellis and garden bed. You're going to have the instruction manual and then some hardware as well as casters and the tools that you need to put this together. You'll notice that the casters do come in two different bags, D and E. That is because two of the casters have locking mechanisms and two do not. Overall, this took us, well, mostly me, about 37 minutes to put together. It was incredibly easy to assemble. The directions were very detailed and well thought out, and I was really impressed with the entire process. I love the fact that in addition to the garden bed, this does have trellis on the back and on the sides, as well as the top. You can easily use this for a bunch of hanging plants. Think like the spider plants that have the vines all over them, or really pretty ivy. I even found a cute little basket of petunias at the store today. But what I'm really excited about are these roses. I found these at the store today too, and unfortunately it's still too cold to put them outside. So we're just gonna set these in the garden bed because I can't plant them until it gets warmer and we're not going to have any freezes anytime soon. These already smell amazing and I can start to train them almost immediately. If you are looking for a really beautiful addition to your patio or even a sunroom, this trellis is a great option. The entire thing is metal. It is really well made and it was incredibly easy to assemble. I love the fact that you can weave your plants in and out of this back trellis space. You can also weave them up and down the sides and across the top and create an arch. Two of the casters do have locks on them. I love the fact that it has casters in general, but the locking mechanisms on two of the casters make this even better because then it won't roll around if you have them locked in place. Let's just lock that one and now it won't roll. When the casters are not locked, this moves really freely and easily. I absolutely love that.